in Our Lady of Africa, Namilyango SS. I'm in Form 1 White, and to me, how I feel about being in a DIT like computer programming, I feel like there are very many options for me. I feel like I'm among those lucky students who have come to this school, and I've gotten such a chance to embrace and do something I really feel is right, and I think it will help me improve. Actually, I for one, I love improving on new things, improving the world. So I think this DIT will actually help me a lot when it comes to improving on our world, the world around us, and each and everything. As long as I know what I'm doing is right, and I feel the moment I do this DIT, I'll be able to touch something, and I feel, yeah, it's wow. The work of my teachers and everything, it's now brilliant. I used to be this one kid who was so much interested in disturbing my father. He works with electronics, but sometimes he prefers doing computer stuff. So I used to be this one person who would always cling on him just to be like, Daddy, teach me this and this. And at times he would feel like I'm disturbing him, but I know, I for one, there was so much I wanted to explore, and I'm happy I've gotten a chance to explore it more and more and more. We are covering web designing, like creating websites. So in this talks, we have covered about requirement gathering. Like now, when creating a website, you need to first of all gather information before doing anything else. For students who haven't yet joined such a program, I advise you, I know as students, you're in Form 4, you're in Form 6, but at least try to buy that small time to be like, let me give myself a try on, for example, computer programming, baking and bakery and cookery. You never know, your lucky chances are there. You can get it, and from now you find yourself in a national, for example, a national cooking competition if you're in bakery and cookery. If you're in computer programming, you can join robotics, and you'll go outside there. Like the last time I checked, this very school, Our Lady of Africa, is supposed to go and represent Uganda to the outer continent in robotics, and of which I am a member in robotics. So we are going to get a chance to go and visit countries like Switzerland, China, Japan, India, all those countries we think are massive. And for us, the robotics members, we know they see those guys have content, they are best at everything, but we know, even us as we are there, but they have not yet tested Africans. So we as Ugandans, we shall show them for sure.